work with imported data. Sometimes you receive the file in Notepad or some other formats which is not in Excel format, and you want to convert them into columns or rows. How you can do, let's see. We have this data. We will just select all, Control C and paste here. Now we want to have this data into different columns. So just select, go to data, text to columns. Now click characters such as commas or tabs separate each field, yes. And then select how you want to separate or how you want system to analyze. This is new field. Here we can see our data is separated with comma. So you can select the comma, or if you have any special character you can type here. So we will select the comma. Next. Now if any date is there, you can change the format to date, or if you want to change the format to text, you can select text, but we don't have any date. If date column suppose was there, then we should have click on that column from here and then check date, but we don't have right now, so just journal, finish. Have you noticed this is our data now converted into different 4 columns.